Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a light, fruity, delicious dessert with strawberries and Greek yogurt in a beautiful ombre layer style. I'm using these small soup glasses which take about 3 to 4 tablespoons of yogurt. They're the perfect size for one person as a snack. Let's go to the ingredients. I'm using 400 grams of frozen strawberries, 30 grams of powdered sugar for the strawberries, 40 grams of powdered sugar for the yogurt, 10 grams of agar, 100 grams of water, 650 grams of Greek yogurt, and 1 tablespoon of butter and some vanilla extract. To thaw the strawberries, I've placed them in a large pot with 50 grams of water, powdered sugar, and butter, and will cook them on low heat. In the meantime, the agar needs to dissolve in some water, so I'm just going to pour some water on top of it and let it sit for a few minutes. In a very clumsy way, I pour the powdered sugar into the Greek yogurt and also give it some vanilla extract, combine that briefly, and distribute this as the first layer in my soup glasses. The strawberries have thawed, so I puree them and give 2 to 3 tablespoons of this to the yogurt. The rest gets sifted, and the juice goes back to the pot, and the strawberry meat goes to the remaining Greek yogurt. This gets combined and distributed as the second layer in my soup glasses. To the strawberry juice, I add the agar and cook it on high heat, allowing it to bubble for about 30 seconds. That's required to activate the agar. Then, as a final step, I pour the now strawberry jello on the strawberry yogurt. These 3 layers create a natural, beautiful ombre effect going from white to pink to red. These desserts need to stay in the fridge for about 4 hours, but they taste best the following day. In the meantime, the gelatin will harden, ensuring that the yogurt doesn't drip out. This makes this dessert perfect for occasions that require transportation. To optimize this dessert, I could imagine using maple syrup instead of powdered sugar. That would make this also a great breakfast. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious recipes and creative ideas. Thank you for watching and see you next time.